This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 745. First, power on your watch by pressing and holding the top left button for about 2 seconds. Next, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and follow the simple on-screen instructions to pair your device. This initial setup takes just a few minutes and ensures all your data syncs seamlessly. You can then personalize your watch face and data screens to see exactly what you need during activities. To track an activity, simply press the top right Start button. This opens the activity menu where you can choose from over 20 preloaded sports profiles, including running, cycling, and swimming. Before you start, ensure your GPS signal is acquired, which usually takes less than 30 seconds outdoors. Once ready, press Start again to begin recording your workout. Your watch will display real-time metrics like pace, distance, and heart rate. Navigating your Forerunner 745 is straightforward using the 5 physical buttons. The up and down buttons on the left side allow you to scroll through various widgets and menu options. The back button, located on the bottom left, takes you to the previous screen. Holding the light button, top left, brings up the controls menu for quick access to features like alarms, do not disturb, and display brightness. The Forerunner 745 offers advanced features like training status, which analyzes your recent workouts to show if you are training productively. Regularly sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app to review detailed performance metrics and track your progress over time. For maintenance, simply wipe your watch clean with a soft cloth after workouts. A full charge provides up to 16 hours of GPS battery life or 7 days in smartwatch mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.